Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a pop-up card. This will be a full craft tutorial, so let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you how to make your pop-up card using only a single sheet of paper and an additional sheet for the pop-up that you will be using. So let's get right into it. I'm going to try and keep it as easy and quick as possible, but if you want to make yours look good, then you're going to put some extra effort into it. So take your sheet of paper, it can be any color, any size, but you want to essentially fold it in half once, okay? So as you can see right here, I'm folding it in half one time. Try and keep it as straight as possible, and then crease it, and then fold it in half again the other way. So now I'm folding it in half this way right here. So two opposite half folds, okay? That really wasn't that straight, so I'm going to try and do it one more time, just like that. Okay, so what we have now is we actually have a card. Check this out. This is the coolest part about this card. There is an inside portion, which is this part right here is the inside portion, and this is the outside portion. So what we can do is we can create a pop-up card using only a single sheet of paper. So we want to get the inside portion, which is this side over here. You see, this is the inside portion right here, okay? And you're going to fold it in half, okay? And then towards the center of the inside portion, along the, opposite the fold. So here's the fold. You're going to cut two slits just like that. They don't have to be really long, but you do want to cut two slits roughly the same length, just like that. You're going to unfold it and fold it back the way that it was originally, which was like this, okay? Now as you can see, I have these slits in the middle of the inside portion of the card. I'm going to take this flap and I'm going to fold it outwards. So I'm going to fold this flap outwards like that. Okay, now check this out. When I close the card, press it down like that, we've now created a pop-up card. So here you go. You can see that it pops open like that. The card can close and then it pops open like that. Okay, now what you're going to do is on either this side or this side, you are going to glue down or tape your little pop-up figure that you want. In my case, right over here, I just created this little happy face to keep it nice and quick. And you're going to glue it down or tape it down. In my case, just to make it nice and quick, I'm just going to staple it. But like I said, try and keep it roughly centered, and you only want to glue it down to one side, okay? So as you can see right there, I've stapled it down, and it's only adhered to one side. I'm not gluing it down to the center or both sides, just one side. Now, if I close it, it's perfectly closed, and when I open it, I have this nice pop-up. As you can see, just like that. So as you can see right there, looks absolutely incredible, really easy to do. And then now the front and the back of your card, you can decorate however you want to. So you can put all of your happy birthday, blah, 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 happy Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. You can decorate the inside as well, okay? Just like that. Then you can decorate the back as well. And the beauty of this card is that the inside is a pop-up and the front and the back are completely normal, like they're completely like a normal card. And we've done it all with a single sheet of paper, so we're not gluing a front and a back to a pop-up inside. Sometimes I see people make a pop-up inside, then they glue the outside on, and that's just a lot more work, and really you end up with a gluey type of card, whereas this is just a folded card. Really easy. You can also just, you know, adhere the edges together if you want to tape these together as an added bonus. That's kind of up to you. And that's it. Like I said, if you want, you can tape all around these openings here. Wherever it's open, you can tape that together. But yeah, it'll make it look a little bit better. A little bit extra work, but it makes it look a lot better. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.